excited? This is one of the most epic moments in Basar. This is the 4th edition of Brute. Can we all hear one more time, loud and clear? Brute! Brute! Loud and clear, I still don't hear you. Brute! Come on, you need to be really, really proud, right? This is one of the most sought after events. 4 editions, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. It started off in 2019. We are in 2024 right now. Just imagine, and the way we have built this up, the only ultra marathon race in Northeast. Are you not proud about it? It's come to Basar. Are you not proud? आप proud है कि नहीं है? बताइए. और ये आगे चल के और भी बड़ा होगा आपके सहयोग से. So we should all be connected as a community. We should run together as a community. So my name is Kushagra Sharma. I'm the CEO of Run Monks, and I'm one of the organizers in collaboration as an initiative with GRK, with my friend Rajesh, who's not here from Race Time India. It's a great opportunity and honor for us to be hosting each of you. And I would like to take this opportunity to give a quick 2-minute context to what Brute is all about. So Brute is the only ultra trail running experience marathon happening in the northeast of India. We should be absolutely proud about that, and Arunachal gets the opportunity of hosting it. So Basar, thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. Really, really proud. And furthermore, this is actually an International Trail Running Association affiliated run. There are very few runs in India which are actually affiliated to the ITRA, and we have 2 points given to 3 points rather given to 60-kilometer runners, and 2 points given to the 30-kilometer runners. So it's a great opportunity for each of you to showcase, and the younger generation who are running the 5 and 10K runs, you need to actually look at and take inspiration from the 30 and 60K runners. The lineup for the 30 and 60K is really, really world class. We have the top 7 athletes from India representing today, right? And you need to take the opportunity of connecting with all these athletes, because the future of Basar will be very, very powerful when you actually connect with such inspiring athletes. So with that, I take the opportunity of welcoming our guests today. So first of all, I would like to welcome Ma'am Srimati Naibi Jini Dirchi, the Honorable MLA of Leparada District. Ma'am, welcome. And thank you for the opportunity of giving us the opportunity of hosting us. A guest of honor, Shri Ojing Tasangji, Honorable Minister, Rural Development and Panchayati Raj. Welcome, sir. Tasing, sorry, my apologies. A chief guest, Shri Kento Jiniji, the Honorable Minister, Youth Affairs and Sports. Welcome, sir. And the whole Basar team, the GRK team, really thank you so much again for giving us the opportunity of taking care of, giving us the opportunity of organizing. So in the meantime, any of you want to take the opportunity of...
Well, good morning, Basar. It's a proud privilege to take part here in this Brute. So I feel thankful or grateful to Mrs. Dirchi, which is Honorable MLA of this 2010 Basar. So it's my humble suggestion to the people of Basar that while you take running, don't mix with booze. So it will kill you from within and outside also. So this good running is a message for unity, not only in our nature but also as a whole of India. So I won't be much taking time. Once again, lastly, thank you so much, Brute and Basar. Yeah.
Good morning, Basar. Good morning. Honorable Minister, my brother Ojing Tasingji, Honorable MLA Basar, Nyabu Jini Dirsi, and Deputy Commissioner Leparada, SP Leparada, and Chief Engineer Tomo Basarji, then the organizer of GRK President Jungam Basarji, Secretary Mimar, and Run Monk Director Kisokta, if I'm not wrong, Kusagara, sorry, I'm extremely sorry for, anyway, and all athletes, sports personalities present here and coming from different states as well as from different countries in Basel. In fact, I felt honored to be amazed with you today and this morning. As you know, in entire Arunachal, rest of the districts are sleeping, but Basar is awaking from yesterday and this morning also. Where I have also come way from Alo, traveling 52 kilometers to participate with you. And as you know, the Brut is one of the special events of entire northeastern state where ITRA is being recognized to this run. So first of all, I wish all the best to the participants. And as you know, the importance of marathon, it boosts your vascular system and it reduces your weight also, keep you healthy. I don't want to take much in this morning, but you know, our most energetic and visionary Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh, Pema Khanduji, also encourages marathon. Recently, we have also conducted a big marathon at Tawang, where almost 4,700 people participated. I was also one of them, and I ran a 5 kilometers that time. But this time, I am extremely sorry, I am not prepared to run. However, I extend my heartiest best wishes to the participants. With that few words, I conclude my speech. Thank you, organizer.
Of course, a lot of support from our Honorable MLA Nyabu Jini ma'am, the organizers giving a small token of love memento. Thank you so much.
So just a quick moment for the school principal to say a quick thank you.
It's a great opportunity for us, SFS School Basar, to organize or to give the place for the Brut, the Basar running trail experience. And we're very happy that distinguished guests, especially our ministers, Ojing Ji and Kendo Ji is with us this morning. And also very happy to welcome Madam Dirchi to our campus. We are very happy that all of you have come. Health is wealth. Today we are spending so much of our money into treatments, sicknesses. Suppose we remain healthy with exercises, definitely we can save a lot of our citizens. So I'm very happy that we are organizing such an initiative, and on behalf of the SFS school community here, I congratulate the organizers and all those who are doing this. Very happy to see that our people are doing exercise and keeping good health. Thank you, God bless. Have a nice day.
मैडम जी एक वोट ऑफ थैंक्स आपकी तरफ से भी.
सभी जो आज हमारा मिनिस्टर स्पोर्ट्स चीफ गेस्ट और आशी ओजिंग गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर, आप दोनों को मेनी थैंक्स. यहाँ जो हमारा ब्रूट को इनोग्रेट करने आया है जो, और हम आज ब्रूट के टीम को भी थैंक यू देता है कि आप लोग हमेशा एवरी ईयर इसको मनाते हैं. इसके लिए थैंक यू.
The cutoff time for 30K is going to be 7 hours. 30K cutoff time will be 7 hours. 60K cutoff time is going to be 13 hours. And make sure the 60K runners cross the 7 hours. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7. For the runners who are doing 5 and 10K, you'll have to wait because the runners 30 and 60K need to settle down on the course. So we will start your instruction. Simple है, main road से आपको right turn लेना है लाइव की तरफ. So मैं countdown चालू कर रहा हूँ. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.